Today we're at Lost Hills Elementary, home of the Lobos, and we're here to
Do the math! Woo!
And here we are back at Lost Hills Elementary. We've got some students in 5th grade working on order of operations. Now, we were working with 4-4s before. All right, you guys ready for the next one?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So draw a line, just separate whatever you were doing before, however you want to do it, on the top, bottom, side, wherever you want. Okay? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to choose a number between 1 and 10 and write it on your paper. So any number between 1 and 10. All right, let's go around. What have you got?
8,
8?
6,
6.
6,
6.
6,
6.
7,
Oh, thank gosh it wasn't another 6, right?
8,
So you guys are dealing with the high numbers, 6, 7, and 8. That's fine, okay? Here's what you have to do. Much like we did with the 4-4s, the number that you wrote down is what you have to get your answer equal to. But we're not using 4-4s. This time we're using 1, 2, 3, and 4. You may put them in any order you want. So you can move them around, but we have to have, was that the lunch call right there? I heard that. That was like my belly growling and stuff right there. All right. So use 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can move them in any order you want, okay, and get it equal to the number that you have on the paper. All right, go. So you want to get to 6, all right? So let's take a look at the first two numbers, right? Think about multiples of 6. Like what's 6 times 1?
6,
6. What's 6 times 2?
12,
12. Using a 4 and a 3, can you get to 6 or 12? What?
4 times 3,
Okay, so put the times in there. So you have 4 times 3, right? So you have 12 there. Now, in order to go from 12 to 6, what do we need to do?
first, minus,
We could minus, right? So we could go 12 minus 6 or 6, or could we divide to get to 6?
yeah,
So if we have 12, what do we divide by to get to 6?
2,
2. Now looking at these two numbers, is there a way to make a 2 out of that?
oh yeah,
How?
time,
Okay, so put the times in there. Okay, so now, what was this?
12,
And what's this?
2,
What do we have to do to these two to get to 6?
divide,
Okay, so where do you think the division sign is going to go?
I put the number,
It's going to put right in between them, right? There you go, nicely done. So you've got your 6 right there. So what we could do is go like that to group them, and then go like that. Anybody else get theirs? Did you get 8 like you were supposed to?
Yeah.
How did you get this?
because I subtracted 2 minus 1,
Okay, so you said 2 minus 1, right?
oh,
But here we have 1 minus 2, so what do you need to do to those numbers? You want to reverse them?
yeah,
Okay, so erase those. Here, what we'll do is we'll just go like this. So what goes here now?
2,
2, so go ahead and write the 2 up there. Because otherwise we would have had a negative number, right? So 2 minus 1 is 1, plus the 3 plus 4 is 7, and that way you got 8. You guys like that challenge? You got to keep on going, right? Okay, there you go. So we've got some of these completed, and some of the students are still working on their order of operations using 1, 2, 3, 4, and the answer they wanted to get out at Lost Hills Elementary.